Hello there, in one of my previous video, I showed you how to communicate between two Arduinos using NRF24LO1 module. Here we go further, that is, I made a functional NRF transmitter which consists of two joysticks, 6 button switches and a gyroscope. So this video is about how I made the NRF transmitter. Let's get started this video. First, I modified the previous NRF transmitter circuit, that is, I added switches and joystick to the circuit. I changed the Arduino Uno to Arduino Pro Mini to decrease the total size. You can download the circuit diagram from the link given in the description. The circuit is little big, so I decided to design a PCB. With the help of Easy EDA, I designed the transmitter PCB and I downloaded the Gerber file. To fabricate PCB, I went to JLCPCB. I chose JLCPCB because they offer only $2 for 5 PCB. To order the PCB, just click order now and upload the Gerber file. After uploading, select the quantity, solder mask color and thickness. Then select the shipping method and place the order. After 2 weeks, I received the PCBs. So this is the PCBs. The purple color looks nice and the quality is also perfect. Then I grabbed all components and started the soldering job. I started soldering from SMD components. And I took 2 hours to finish the soldering job. Nothing more important here, just place the component and solder, that's it. After finishing the soldering job, I attached the joystick knob to the joystick, then the Arduino, and MPU 6050, and finally the NRF module. Now I connected my USB to TTL converter to the transmitter circuit and uploaded the code. You can also download the sketch from the link. Then I connected the 7.4 volt battery to the circuit and seems no problem at all. So this is the receiver circuit. I just connected 6 LEDs to the receiver circuit. These LEDs represent corresponding digital channels. Now you can see the working. The LEDs perfectly respond to the transmitter buttons. Now I have not programmed the joystick. I will show you that after making the receiver. So in the next video, I will make the advanced receiver section. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from my video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. All up to you. I will see you next time.